So I'm in the shop today working on the skid loader. This is a Gehl 4640. It was piss and fuel, so I'm finding out where it's leaking, and I just found out where it's pissing from. You can see, get the light out of the way here, where that orange line comes down. It's a cover to a fuel line, and then that other fuel line. The orange one coming down, there's a bend on the end, so it's cracked there. So I got to figure out how to weasel in there and get that line off and get the end replaced, or the whole line replaced. But I'm assuming it'll be easiest to go from the back to get up under there and probably take this battery out. The top is cramped. I might come from the top if I take the air filter right here out. Picking up the cap and coming from the other way is no good, so I just got to finish clearing some of this muck out of the bottom here, and then hopefully it'll come out not too hard then. It's just a matter of getting the line off, so that's what's going on today. Okay, I got the battery out and I couldn't really get to it, so I jacked it up and put it on some blocks. What am I looking at here? Like so. So hopefully that gives it enough room to crawl under it. Alright, I've got that line off. Here's the old one first. And this little spot right here, I think that's what was causing it to leak, so I got a new one. Luckily I'm only about a mile down the road from a tractor repair shop, individual guy that repairs tractors on his farm. So I ran down there and got this new line, and now for the fun part of putting it back on. Alright, the line is back on there. Hardest part is getting it on the bottom here and then getting the hose clamp on there, because you got to do everything blind. You can't, because it's tucked underneath, you can't really see anything, but you're not going to be able to tell probably, but it's all in there. That line ran under the throttle plate and then up here to the fuel filter. That one there. So just got to put the battery back on and then we'll try it out, see if it works. I don't know if I'll put the video in of it running. It wasn't very good, and you couldn't really see anything anyway, but it runs and it's not leaking fuel anymore. I got a little bit of an oil leak still, but that'll be for another day, and it's not leaking too bad, but that's what happens with older equipment, I guess. Even the tractor here leaks a little bit, but pretty much every old tractor leaks a little bit of oil. So that was the big event for today. If you want to keep up to date on what I do every day, I'm posting pretty much every day, but just leave a subscribe if you want to keep up. If you found it entertaining, leave a like. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm glad that's fixed finally. It took me a couple hours, just pain in the ass getting it back on more than anything. And that hose clamp was the biggest pain in the ass because it was up underneath and hidden. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.